So I'll be showing you how to change the background color in your WhatsApp status. So let's go to WhatsApp and then go to the status updates. And then let's go ahead and create our new status update. Now this works only for text and voice status updates. So I'm just going to tap on this to go into the text status update. And let me write something here. So I'll write something. And then once you write something, you will see, or even before you write it, you will see this icon here. So that allows you to change a different background color for your WhatsApp status. All right. And then you can switch back to text. And then also you'll notice we can change the font of our status update. So let's say you change it to something like that. Okay. And then once you're done, you can now tap on the share button to post your status update. So that is basically how to change the font and background color of your status update in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.